episode 32 of Adventures in Welding. Glad you stopped by today. Down here playing around in the shop, and I came up with an idea last night. I'm always taking video everywhere I go. I like to keep things on video. It's a nice way to remember events when you're getting older and you can't remember them so well. And I thought, you know, I always have this little old LG phone I use. Shoot video if I don't have my good camera with me. You always got to figure out a way to prop it, and it always falls over. And I thought, wait a minute, what if I took some 3/16 angle iron and made a base for the phone? It can slide in and out, and the wide base will keep it from falling over. I like it. Let's make it. So what I did is this is just a piece of 3" by 1/8" bar stock. I cleaned up this side of it with a grinder real nice because we're going to TIG it. In fact, we're going to do something a little different. And I drew this center line, okay, measured the camera 4.75 inches, marked where I need the camera to be, and then the back end of our angle. Also cleaned up the angle because, as you know, TIG likes clean. And then all we have to do is weld them on just like that. Simple, easy project, but to make it a little more fun today, we're not going to use our regular ER70 S2 filler rods. So what do you think we'll use? 308? No. I got some of them, but I'm not going to use them today. Today, we don't have a stamped one. We are going to use silicon bronze. Ooh. But TIG maniac, you say. TIG maniac, that's me. Not really Batman, but don't tell anybody. TIG maniac, you say. Aren't you really just brazing it? Yes and no. We are going to create what's known in welding as an admixture. If I were just going to braze this on here, I'd simply get that steel cherry red and melt the silicon bronze into it. And frankly, that would be strong enough for this purpose. But I'm actually going to draw a puddle with Hazel, my CK Worldwide number 17 flex head torch, and we're going to add the silicon bronze to the molten steel, creating what's called an admixture. And that is how we're going to do it. Just for something a little more fun, make it a little more interesting today. All right? Let me get my gear. Okay, guys. Start with tack. You see I'm not wearing my glasses because I put cheaters in the helmet, and I found out if I wear my glasses while using the cheaters, I really can't see anything. So it's like having neither. They cancel each other out, I guess. All right. Let's fire up the TIG power source. I think we're going to have a surprise later this week. Keep your eyes peeled. Got Hazel ready to go here. I like it because she's a flex head, so I'm going to open her up a little bit so I can get a nice fusion tack back here. All I got to do is put that on my mark. voila. And once more. So far, so good. Let's check the fit. Okay. But you got to remember, as you weld, it's going to pull to the side you weld. So you can either use that to your advantage, or you can let it beat you. Let's use it to our advantage. All right, let's get ready and weld this out. All right, welded one side there. Now I'm going to bring it completely around and weld over here. That way we're distributing our heat evenly, okay? Now I'm going to do this side. And now the final one. Well, there it is. Hope it still fits perfectly. And now we've got a place where we can put our, take them, I mean, it's not very big. Say you're out at a game or something, you know, you could take this, stick it on the stands next to you. It ain't going anywhere. Phone ain't coming out. What? Oh, you want to see the silicone bronze up close? Sure thing. Wait right there. There's the beautiful silicone bronze polished up a little bit with our mild steel. And there's our completed phone stand. See you next time.